Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade lemon juice. First, gather your ingredients: fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and cold water. You'll also need a few basic kitchen tools like a citrus juicer, a measuring cup, and a pitcher. Selecting ripe, juicy lemons is key for the best flavor, so pick ones that feel heavy for their size. Now, let's get that wonderful lemon juice. Carefully cut each lemon in half. Then, using your preferred citrus juicer, extract all the juice from the lemon halves. Be sure to press firmly to get every last drop. You'll want to collect about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice for this recipe, which usually takes 6 to 8 medium lemons. Next, we'll prepare a simple syrup to sweeten our lemonade. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. This step ensures a smooth, well-mixed drink. Finally, it's time to combine everything and enjoy your homemade lemonade. Pour the fresh lemon juice and the cooled simple syrup into a large pitcher. Then, add 3 cups of cold water. Stir everything together thoroughly. Give it a taste and adjust the sweetness or tartness by adding more water or a little extra simple syrup if needed. Serve over ice and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.